I'm Max Coen, head chef at Dorian restaurant in Notting Hill. Always been a massive fan of cooking. My dad's a great cook, so it's sort of in the blood. Modern British cuisine is the umbrella term. It's a bit of a cliche, but we really focus on the best produce, prep it down simply, and then just cook it perfectly. Focus on the seasoning, the flavours, and nothing more. It's not too fussy with the plating. It's just, as I said, really good cooking, amazing cuisines, and just surround it with delicious flavour. We work with 20 different suppliers, trying to get the best of the best, and it just really depends what the farm has or what the fishermen have. And then we write the menu based on that, but it's always the best of the best. For the first time, we've got to have the rosties. We always do a crab rosti, always do oysters. The oysters are always really good here. And then we have, at the moment, lobster tail, which we'll do, a pigeon, quail in the summer, and then the beef. We always have this amazing olive-fed Wagyu beef, so we'll do a T-bone today. We also have a ribeye, bone-in sirloin. So yeah, definitely recommend the beef, rosties, and all the little bits in between. We went for bistro vibes in here. Parisian style bistros, just cozy neighbourhood. You know, wherever you sit in the dining room, you can see the grill, you can see the flames. Soft colours, I guess. You know, you've got the classic black and white tiled floor. It gets pretty loud, gets pretty busy. For me, when you go to a restaurant, you want to be busy, you want to vibe, you want the buzz. So we've got Ale Villa, who does all our drinks here. He's got his fig leaf Negroni, which is amazing. And then we've got this amazing wine programme. So we're powered by collectors. So all the big collectors in Notting Hill, they store their wine here. We either sell that to guests who come to dine here, or the collectors come and drink their wine, and obviously powered by the locals as well. It sort of links back to what we're all about, neighbourhood, local restaurant.